What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of the most important parts of detailing, cleaning your wheels. I'm sharing my top 5 wheel cleaners that are actually worth using, from easy maintenance cleaners to stronger options for heavy brake dust and deeper decontamination. I'll explain what each product does best, what kind of results you can expect, and how to use it safely. Let's get started. At number 5, we've got P&S Brake Buster. This is one of the most popular wheel cleaners in the detailing world, especially for one reason. It's an amazing maintenance product, and it's great value for money. It's safe, easy to work with, and it's great at breaking down everyday dirt, light brake dust, and road grime without being too aggressive. It works best when you give it a quick pass with a wheel brush or a soft detailing brush to lift the dirt properly. It cleans extremely well, and it's perfect for weekly washes or anyone who wants a reliable wheel cleaner that gets the job done every time without spending a lot. At number 4, we have Magyar's Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner. This is one of the best all-around wheel cleaners because it gives you a nice mix of cleaning power, ease of use, and safety. It does a really good job at loosening dirt and grime quickly. It's great for maintenance washes, but it can also handle dirtier wheels when you need it to. Use it on a cool wheel, spray it evenly, give it a little time to work, and then rinse it off. And for dirtier wheels, a quick brush pass will make it look even better. If you're looking for a dependable wheel cleaner that fits almost any routine, this one is a really safe pick. At number 3, we've got Car Pro Wheel X. This is where we start moving into the stronger category. Is a great choice when you want something stronger than a normal wheel cleaner, especially if your wheels are covered in heavy brake dust. What I like about Wheel X is that it gives you that deep, clean feeling where the wheels actually look brighter and more refreshed after you rinse. This is a great choice if you want something that feels like a real upgrade from regular wheel cleaners. It hits harder, it cleans deeper, and it's the kind of product you use when you're serious about getting wheels back to a proper, clean finish. If your wheels need a proper reset clean, Wheel X is a really strong option. At number 2, we have Koch Chemie Magic Wheel Cleaner. This one is a favorite in the professional detailing world. This wheel cleaner is a more premium, heavy-duty option made for wheels that need a proper, deep clean. It's the kind of product you reach for when brake dust has built up over time, and regular cleaners aren't giving you that fully clean finish. Apply a good amount, give it a little time to work, and then use the right brushes to lift the dirt properly. A wheel woolly brush is ideal for reaching deep inside the wheel, and a soft detailing brush works perfectly for the wheel face. If you want a premium wheel cleaner that feels strong and professional, Koch Chemie Magic Wheel Cleaner is one of the best options you can buy. And at number 1 on the list, we have Q2M Iron Wheel Cleaner Redefine. This isn't just a normal wheel cleaner. It's designed to target the brake dust that sticks to wheels and the iron contamination that builds up over time. It does the full job in one step. It's a wheel cleaner and an iron remover together, so it breaks down brake dust and also removes embedded iron contamination, works fast, and you can literally see it reacting as it pulls the contamination out. The finish you get after using it is what makes it worth it. Wheels look brighter, cleaner, and you can actually feel the difference in how smooth and contamination-free the surface becomes. If you want the most complete wheel cleaning product in this list, something that cleans hard and removes embedded iron contamination, Q2 M Iron Wheel Cleaner, redefined as an easy number 1. So that's my top 5 wheel cleaners, from easy maintenance options all the way to heavy-duty deep cleaning. Choose the product based on the job you're trying to do, and you'll get the best results safely. Use a good cleaner with the right brushes, rinse thoroughly, and your wheels will stay cleaner for longer. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe, and comment below what wheel cleaner you're using right now and what product you want me to test next. See you in the next one.